Meanwhile,
a few moments later.
Right. No, I can't leave that place. Right, I'll just have to put it in. Where's the right? Got the egg. Egg in microwave. This is going to be interesting. I know exactly what's going to happen. On high. It's going to destroy the whole fucking microwave. Now, how many minutes do you reckon I should put it in for? It'll be fucking scrambled everywhere. Oh, not looking forward to this. Oh, fucking explode. Yeah, I'm doing it. Many minutes, Cathal? I reckon 5. What do you reckon? Now, if it doesn't go in 5, I reckon 3. It's a bit of a powerful thing. This is. I'm literally shitting myself here. Right, here we go. 5, okay. Here we go. An egg in the microwave. The fucking thing will explode, I know. 5 minutes. We'll have to buy a new one. Going around. I'll just stand away from this. I'm very nervous. Fucking hell, this thing is going to kill me. I can hear a crackling. It was crackling alright. This thing is going to go pop. Oh fuck! Christ almighty! Oh jeez. Yeah, my microwave is a mess now. Jeez, that didn't take long. No,